In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you'll be doing well. Let us learn idioms and phrases, part 1, J. Meanings and use. Number 1 idiom is at leisure. Meaning, not busy, idle, when convenient. Sentences. He does gardening at his leisure. Nobody is at leisure in a big city like this one. He promised to visit me at his leisure. Number 2. Against all odds. Meaning, despite opposition or difficulties. Sentences. He kept on working against all odds to succeed in his field. You have to work against all odds for a better career. Number 3. All bark and no bite. Meaning, only talk without power or action. Sentences. There is all bark and no bite in the person like him who is unable to do anything. He can do nothing because he is all bark and no bite. A lazy person has all bark and no bite. Number 4. Against the clock. Meaning, urgently, hurriedly. Sentences. We are working against the clock to complete our project. You have to work against the clock when you compete others. Number 5. S up one's sleeve. Meaning, a secret or surprise advantage. Sentences. His anonymous investment was an S up his sleeve that enabled him to buy a new house. The offer from a bigger company was an S up his sleeve to quit this job. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.